Introducing a nature scavenger hunt can be an effective way to motivate your child to complete their homework. This activity combines learning with fun, making it an engaging way to explore the outdoors. To start, create a list of items or creatures your child can find in nature, such as different types of leaves, flowers, or birds. Set a goal for the number of items they need to find and encourage them to complete their homework before embarking on the hunt. This will not only motivate them to finish their work but also teach them the importance of time management. Once the homework is done, head outside and let the adventure begin. This activity not only boosts their motivation but also fosters a love for nature and learning.